redo my brows because it just saves time. If y'all do want to see that in my videos, just let me know down in the comment section. So I'm going to be using my favorite foundation, NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Macao. I also use Marquise's sometimes, depends on what I'm looking like. But I'm going to take this Glam by Cham brush and just pat it all over. And this is from a brush set I got from a Dallas makeup artist, Glam by Cham. Y'all should follow her. I'll put the link to these brushes down below. I'm going to use my Morphe one because I really like it. This is Morphe number C3.65. And then I'm going to take the one that I just recently purchased, number C4.55. It's more of my shade. Well, we're going to put that on the outer portion. Okay. And we're going to let that dry a little bit. I kind of want to put a little bit of the lighter shade on my forehead and my nose, but I kind of want to wait. I'm going to put some on my nose so they can already be molding. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my heating unit. I live in an older house, so you can hear it sometimes on camera because I got this new mic too. I don't know if y'all notice like the quality of my videos, like the sound, but I do have a new mic, so it kind of like makes everything really crisp. So hopefully it's drowning it out. I'll find out when I start editing the video. I started to do a look, and I started my eyes first, and I ended up taking it off, and now I'm redoing the whole look by starting the face first. So hopefully, if this made the cut, it will be up on my channel. I don't want to put any and everything on my channel. Like, I want to like the look. I want to like the content. I don't want to just put it up there just to be putting something up there, because it'll show if you do that. I'm going to go in with my contour stick, my Anastasia. I prefer to use like a stick foundation versus like using concealer, because I feel like this is a cream. I'm able to blend it out better. I feel like with the concealer, like you can like put too much, or you can like use the what am I trying to say? I feel like sometimes with the concealer you can put too much and it'll be like a whole blob on the side of your face. But I feel like with the actual stick, like if you're using like a foundation stick, which I really want to try the ones from Juvia's place. But if you're using it, you can just do like a line and then blend it and add more if you need to. Instead of like with the concealer, it's like a lot. You know, with the sticks, you can just be real particular about what you're doing and where you're putting it. Cream versus liquid. And this is a brush set from BH Cosmetics, which I got these for like $5 on Kohl's.com. Which I really like it. I like when I get brush sets that I really like, because I be wanting to purchase like another set so I can have those brushes in duplicate. I don't know why I have my earrings on, but it just look cuter when you're doing your makeup with your earrings on. Now, if you're going to a makeup artist, you don't need to have your earrings on. Take them off. Take them off. And see, I'm gonna add a little bit more, I feel like I'm able to. I really like these Anastasia foundation sticks though. I've had this one for a while, and like I got a lot of product left. This is in the shade Earth. I'm gonna just put a little bit more on the sides there. Are any of y'all watching Vlogmas from any of your favorite YouTubers? I don't have enough going on to be vlogging my life. But I really been liking Vlogmas. Everybody been on they game, honey. Getting the Vlogmas videos out. Kudos to y'all. Because y'all are motivation, honey. I couldn't dare. To be honest with you, I'm super bored. I ain't got nothing going on. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this foundation stick on a concealer brush to carve out my nose. Come on, nose. Then you just blend that middle part back out. Really blend it all together. Because you don't want a lot of concealer right there. Like, that needs to be blended out. Like, I know some people feel like they have to have it to where, like, it's real pronounced. And you don't. Because it's gonna, the shadows are gonna speak for themselves. You understand what I'm saying? So, you don't have to have that. I'm gonna use my Luscious by Lynn AC Cosmetics Butternut Beige Powder. I'm gonna take my NYX powder, no filter powder, and I'm going to set the other areas under like my contour and everywhere else. I ordered 2 of these during their sale. I only got 1 in the mail. Talking about they was out. And I had to call them and be like, hey, I didn't receive all of my order. And they're like, oh yeah, we ran out of that shade. And I wanted to say, why y'all didn't just, why would y'all let me purchase it? Then I gotta wait on y'all to give me my money back. That don't even make sense. I'm going to take this Contortion Book by the Crayon Case. I'm going to take this shade to contour my face. It was in stock when I ordered it. So why is it not in stock right now? But okay, send me my money back. But then they said that they was going to give me like a coupon code to use. So I can get, when it comes back in stock, I can get that price again. Which, to be honest with you, I just got the refund. Because I was about to call them back. Then I got it. I got the refund. But then I never got the coupon code. So I'm going to take this Glam by Cham powder brush. Just blend that out. I feel like this video is taking forever because I hadn't even got to my eyes yet. I'm going to take this concealer by Juvia's Place in the shade number 10. Excuse me. To prime my lid. It does a really good job of like muting out the color. So that's why I like to use it. Baby B Marie is dedicated because she be slaying and snatching her face on live. And she be on here for a good hour 45. A good hour 45. Okay, that shade Bobby that I put as my contour shade from the Contortion Book by the Crayon Case, I'm going to use that as a transition shade. I'm just going to pat that in my crease. I'm going to take the shade Parallel from Anastasia's Prism palette. It's a darker brown. Okay, and for my lid, I'm gonna take this deep, like greenish looking color here and put that all over my lid. It's in the shade Throne. It's from the Prism palette also. That is such a pretty green. Such a pretty green. And I feel like this look is really easy to do. Like it's literally like a transition shade, an outer deeper shade, and like a lid shade. Like I don't want people to think or even feel like, you know, they need so many different palettes or so many different colors to achieve like a look that is like perfect for going out. And I'm bringing the color up, of course. I want you to be able to see it when I'm sitting there talking to you. Because you want to be, a lot of people I know, they don't like that, you know, color all the way up on their lid. But if you have a lot of lid space, you want to utilize that lid space, because you putting color just right here on your mobile lid is not going to, nobody's going to be able to see it. So you'll have that color there and it's not doing anything. You know what I'm saying? And it's giving me almost like a smoky eye look. But I love it. This blending brush and put a little bit more of the parallel on the outer portion. I don't really want black because I don't want it to be dark looking. And we're going to get some Anastasia liner. I don't know how I feel about this liner. I like it, but I don't know how I feel. I think I like the Sephora one better and the Balm one better. I don't know, girl. She just proved me wrong. Prove me wrong, sis. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. Okay, that is the shade Obsidian out of the palette. This is just the Prism palette again. Just to smoke out that lower lash line a little bit more. Just a little bit. This is MAC's Giga Black Extended Play Giga Black mascara. I love it because of the small one. Perfect for your bottom lashes. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze in Glitzy to highlight, but I also want to put some here in the inner tear duct. I'm going to take this Estee Edit blush just to warm my cheeks up. I need it just to give me a little bit of color. I'm not looking so bland. We're gonna go back in with the Omega Glaze highlighter. I don't know why it did not show up on my inner tear duct like that. Like, look at that. Ooh, child. So I'm gonna use MAC's Feel So Grand. I think that looks gonna do it. Ooh, that highlighter. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. This is my take on Holiday Glam. Just a simple look. Smoky green eye. We got a little bit of red on the lip. Not a little bit, we got a lot. So we got a lot of red on the lip. And you know, a lot of highlight, a lot of bling, a lot of shine, a lot of shimmer. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications as to when I upload a new video. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.